Hi all, this is Santosh from XDU's Oracle Alliance Manager. Today we are going to see how we could reduce Oracle database support spend. Uh, Oracle support spend is a huge concern for many organizations, and they always are in the lookout for how to control their support spend. Here's a simple way that we will look at and see how we could accomplish that by the simple process. Traditional servers, let's say for example the x86 servers of Sun or any Dell HP servers, what we do is when we procure the box and we want to run the database, we license all the database. This is how it has been for years, and irrespective of the data size, the volume, the IOs, and the transaction that's going to happen, it might be even a terabyte of data and few IOs, which happens, and it's a very minimally used application or a database per se. We still have to license all the cores, and if it's going to be 10 cores, we have to procure 5 licenses. It's going to be about 230 plus K of cost list price, and when we look at that, the support cost again is going to be 22% of that. So we are going to spend about 50K overall for the licenses that we procured, and it's going to be a huge cost. And look at how ineffective that we are managing it. It's just that probably it requires 2 cores for the data and the data volume and the transactions that's going into the database. To the 2 cores would be able to handle it, but still we have to license all the cores and we have to pay support for that year on year on year, and it goes on. There's no end to it. So while we move to a database appliance, let's say for example you just have to turn on 2 cores, you just turn on 2 cores, you pay for the license and you pay for the support specifically for that particular license. That's it. So you pay, you get one process licenses, you pay support for that one process license, and you use it. If you want to increase, yeah, you can do it. If you don't want, because you'll save so many licenses, which ideally will not be used, and and with ODA you're not going to pay for that, and you're going to save on support too. This is how the support cost works out. So it's going to be about 50K that you're going to spend on any x86 servers or Dell HP servers, and you're going to spend just about 10K in terms of support every year on year. So in the next 4 years, you're looking at a great saving from support standpoint, and this is going to be a recurring one, and you need to everyone is looking at controlling this, and this is a great option that you can look at. And the good news again, which was announced in the Oracle Open World, is that now all customers, right from SC, SC1, SC2, Enterprise Edition, you don't have a rack, absolutely no issues. If you just have a database license, you are eligible to move to any of these box based on how you want to architect it. If it's just going to be an entry-level server where you just want to run a simple application, yep, you can go for an entry-level one. Or performance where you require some performance capabilities, you'll go for that. Every single box has its own capabilities, and you can decide on what you require and see how it fits in your environment and how you are going to save from ROI perspective for the specific license that you hold, which you want to transfer into a new environment. So to get that done, it's not only about saving support costs. There is a huge benefit when it comes to Oracle Database Appliance, and be time to market, ease of management, simplicity, seamlessness to execute highly performing database, which has minimal, or probably least human interventions, wherein in terms of patching and maintenance, where you want to keep it really low, making your DBA more effective in terms of utilizing the resource hours in strategic tasks. There are multiple different benefits. We can definitely walk you through on those fronts. and also we can exactly calculate and let you know how you're going to save from support cost and from licenses, and what kind of value it brings to your table, so on and so forth. Please do send me an email or give me a call. I'll be happy to work with you and make sure that your environments are verified, and we size it, understand your data size, volume, and the IOs, and make sure that we do a proof of concept, and exactly let you know that whatever we speak is what you are going to get, and you validate that and then move forward. We can definitely do help you on those fronts. Looking forward for your email, and looking forward to work with you, and there's no charge involved in this, so feel free to explore. It's always good to do that. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.